Today we are going to see Nankhatai. I am adding butter which is soft and room temperature. I'm going to cream it a little. Then I'm going to add little sugar, powdered sugar little by little inside and cream it completely. I'm adding sugar little by little. Don't add sugar all at once because it will make your butter watery. We want aerated, creamy butter but not watery. I've added my final batch of sugar inside for creaming. Now once my creaming is done, I'm going to add my ghee inside. Ghee gives you a nice flavor, but if you don't want, you can always add a little butter extra and finish it off. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients inside, which is my maida, besan flour, rava, elachi powder, nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, salt. I'm going to sieve all these ingredients inside. So first I'm going to add is maida. Next is my besan flour. After this, I'm going to add is nutmeg, elachi flour, and this is going to be my baking powder, baking soda, salt, finally I'm going to add my rava inside or suji. Now I'm going to fold this. To make it into a soft dough. Now I'm going to use my hands to start this. Along with this, you need little milk also to make a soft dough. Use your fingertips and slowly fold your flour inside the creamed butter sugar mixture. So you can add little milk according to your requirement to make a soft dough. I am adding around 1 tablespoon. Use your fingers to make the dough. Don't apply more pressure. Your milk content can vary according to your ingredients. So if you need little more, you can add. You can see the dough is completely formed, but it is a soft dough but not a slack dough. So once the dough is ready, now I'm going to make small balls out of it. Make it as even as possible so your baking can be You can add any nuts on top. I am going to add almonds on top. Nankhatai is completely ready. I'm going to bake it at 140 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes. Our Nankhatai is ready.